Do you want to allow everyone to mention you on Instagram?
You can enable mention in Instagram posts, comments, and stories with just a few simple steps.
In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to allow everyone to mention on Instagram.
Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To allow everyone to mention you on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you are on Instagram, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the home screen. Now, tap the three horizontal lines menu in the top right corner of the profile page to open the settings options. Here, you will see various settings options. Scroll down to the How Others Can Interact with You section. Under this, you will see various options. Find and tap on Tags and Mentions. Here, you will see different tags and mention settings. To allow mentions on Instagram, choose Allow Tags from Everyone under the Who Can Tag You section. Once enabled, scroll down to the Who Can Mention You section and select Allow Mentions from Everyone. Your changes will automatically be saved, and now everyone on Instagram can mention you in their posts, comments, or stories.